Are you tired of your living room looking plain or outdated? In 2025, interior design is all about blending style with comfort, and the living room is the perfect place to start. This is where we relax, watch TV, welcome guests, and make memories. And with the right furniture choices, colors, and decor tips, you can transform even the simplest space into a modern, cozy, and stylish home. In this video, I'll share the top modern living room decorating ideas for 2025, plus easy furniture and design tips you can use right away, whether your living room is big or small. 1. The color trends of 2025. Color sets the mood of your entire living room. Neutral foundations, shades like beige, soft white, and warm gray are still strong in 2025. Earthy tones, olive green, terracotta, and sandy taupe bring a natural and calming feel. Bold accents, deep blue, mustard yellow, or even burnt orange are being used as statement colors in cushions, rugs, or wall decor. Tip: choose a neutral base for your walls and big furniture, then play with bold accent colors in small, switchable decor pieces. 2. Modern furniture choices. Furniture is where function meets fashion in 2025. Low-profile sofas with clean lines make the room look sleek and spacious. Modular sectionals allow you to rearrange seating based on your needs. Statement coffee tables, think marble tops, glass finishes, or bold geometric shapes. Minimalist TV units, wall-mounted or floating designs save space and add elegance. Tip: always measure your space before buying furniture. Oversized pieces can make a living room feel cramped. 3. Smart layout ideas. A well-arranged living room feels open and inviting. Float furniture away from the walls to create a sense of flow. Use area rugs to define zones, especially in open-plan layouts. Place seating in a conversational setup, chairs and sofas facing each other, not just the TV. Round tables work better in smaller spaces because they improve movement around the room. Tip: leave enough walking space. Your living room should feel easy to move around, not blocked. 4. Lighting for mood and style. Lighting is one of the easiest upgrades that makes a huge impact. Layered lighting, combined ceiling lights, floor lamps, and table lamps. Statement chandeliers or pendants add personality and luxury. LED strips under shelves or behind the TV wall create a modern glow. Natural light, sheer curtains allow sunlight while keeping privacy. Tip: use warm white bulbs for a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. 5. Wall and decor ideas. Bare walls are out. 2025 is about personality and texture. Wall panels or textured paint for a modern upgrade. Oversized art pieces instead of many small frames. Less clutter, more impact. Floating shelves to display books, plants, and statement decor. Accent walls with wallpapers, stone, or wood finishes. Tip: keep decor minimal. Too many small items can make the room feel crowded. 6. Adding warmth and personality. Modern doesn't mean cold. Add layers to make your living room cozy. Rugs with texture, shaggy, patterned, or natural fiber rugs. Throw pillows and blankets to soften the sofa. Indoor plants for freshness and color. Personal touches, family photos, souvenirs, or unique decor that tells your story. Tip: balance is key. A mix of modern design and personal warmth makes your living room truly yours. And that's it. The best modern living room decorating ideas for 2025. From smart furniture choices and stylish layouts to color palettes and cozy touches, these tips will help you transform your space into something modern, functional, and welcoming. Which of these ideas would you try first? A bold accent wall, a statement sofa, or maybe layered lighting? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on curtain trends, wall panel designs, and luxury TV unit ideas. Perfect for making your entire home look fresh and stylish in 2025. Because a modern living room isn't just about looks, it's about creating a space you'll love to live in.